So this is a simple, easy mindfulness practice. In this practice, we use something from nature. And today I'll be using a flower. You can also use a leaf or whatever you happen to have. Mindfulness practices have a lot of benefits, like reducing anxiety, improving mood, focus, concentration. They're great for feeling more playful and engaged with life, and they're even helpful for experiencing enlightenment. And the nice thing about this practice is that you only need to spend a minute a day to start to reap the many benefits. But today, just to get the practicing, we'll practice for longer. All right. So, like I mentioned, for today's practice, I'll be using a flower, and you can use a flower or you can also use a leaf or whatever. But whatever you use, whether you find it around the house or outdoors or from the store, it shouldn't be something that you associate with a person or an event. So let's say that you love daisies, but if daisies like really remind you of someone or something, then don't use daisies. Okay, so when you're comfortable and you're ready, take a hold of your flower with whatever hand you prefer. All right, so here's my little flower for today. So take hold of your flower with whatever hand you prefer. Holding onto your flower, find a comfortable seat in a chair and place your feet on the floor in front of you. Place your hands on your lap. If you like, you can rest your hands on a pillow. Let your back and the back of your head rest against your chair. If you need to, push your chair against the wall to use the wall to rest against. You want to feel fully supported. Now take a moment to just sit with your flower. Let it rest in the palm of your hand. Feel the weight of the flower as it rests in the palm of your hand. Now, as if you are moving in slow motion, pick up your flower, hold it by its stem, and look at it. Look at it as if you were a baby, as if you were seeing it for the first time. Don't try and describe anything that you see. Just see it. If any words come to mind, just let them pass. If any thoughts come to mind, just let them pass too. Just stay with the flower, looking at it carefully, slowly, as if you were seeing it for the first time. Just experience what you see. See its colors. See where it is smooth. See where it is rough. Pick a petal. See the edges of the petal. See how it moves from one petal to the next. Now, touch your flower. Again, as if you are a baby. Touch it as if you are touching it for the first time, and you have no words for what you're describing or experiencing. If words come to mind, just let them pass. If any thoughts come to mind, just let them pass too. Feel where your flower is smooth. Feel where your flower is rough. Feel its softness. See your hands doing this touching. Do not use words for what you are touching or feeling. Just have the experience. If words come to mind, just let them pass. If any thoughts come to mind, just let them pass too. Now, bring your flower to your nose and smell your flower. Feel how the scent of the flower makes you feel. Experience its scent as if you were a baby, as if you were smelling it for the first time, and you have no words for what you're smelling or experiencing. If words come to mind, just let them pass. If any thoughts come to mind, just let them pass too. Feel how the scent of the flower makes you feel. Feel the scent of the flower in your chest. Feel how the scent of your flower makes you smile, even ever so softly. I hope y'all enjoyed this simple, easy mindfulness practice. Thank you for being here today. Namaste.